Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to hide badges on taskbar icons in Windows 11. So guys, if you want to hide badge on your taskbar icons, so very simple and easy way. Right click on taskbar, click on taskbar settings. Now here click on taskbar behaviors. Now here guys you will see some options. Show badges, unread messages counter on taskbar apps. So to hide and remove, uncheck this box. Just you have to uncheck this box. Then close it and restart your system. So this way guys, you can hide badge on taskbar icons in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.